Alright, so as y'all can see, here's my clutch cable from Niche. And I already removed my lever because it broke off, and my clutch cable was already tearing, but I took both of them off. So we'll start by unwrapping this cable. There it is, it's full length. So what we're gonna do now is, ideally it starts right here. So we are gonna put it on the clutch right here. So we're gonna remove this X right here, like that. I'm gonna take the rubber cap off right there, and also this hex. And if you can see, I have a little slit here, so I can do just that. Slip it right through, and then what we can do is we can take it and put on the cable. Now what we do is we are going to move this hex right here, and this is our way of tightening it, just like that. And that is how it's going to hold its place, just like that. And then we'll take this rubber cap and just keep it right there to keep it nice. And there it is, our clutch. Perfect. Now what we have to do is right here, take your clutch. I have this ring right here, slip it right through, and then so I'm gonna slip through the full length, just like that. And now I take this, put it right here, and I have a slit right here to hold different cables like clutch. So right there, perfect. Now we're gonna stretch this out again to its full length. Alright, and there it is. That's the perfect size. So we're going to slip this under to keep it nice and neat and not mess with this right here. Alright, and there it is. We have our clutch, and I don't have my actual clutch lever yet, but ideally that's how it's supposed to be. There it is. I might redo it and make it what's good for me. In fact, I see it's supposed to be zip tied, so my mistake. If it's easier for you to do this, just keep it like that. If you want more of a neater style, then what you can do is pull it out where I put it. It's kind of hard. Try this. So there, pulled it out. Now what we're gonna do is make it go through this side, just like that. So basically have it go from there through this. So have your clutch attached right here, tighten it. There is our clutch cable itself. Get it through this loop, up, get it through that loop, just like that. And now you can zip tie it and have it to your correct side. So thank you for watching. This is my Crf150f, and we'll see you next time.